Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this ho. Hope you guys are having a fabulous middle of the work week. If you're on spring break, because that's coming up this month. Hey, hope you're having a fabulous time, and I'm glad that you joined me today. So if you just happened on to my channel, it's just an old lady who occasionally throws in a sexual innuendo and likes to say colorful things. Okay, I don't usually curse too much, but you never know, bitches. You just never know. I'm going to tell you, for Yota's sake, the bag of the day is this bag. Now, this bag usually sits somewhere back here, and I get so many people asking and commenting about what is that pink bag. This is actually the Tory Burch Kira bag in crazy pink, I believe they call this. I don't think that they make this certain bag anymore, but you never know. She always comes out with some fun and wild looking bags. They still have the Kira bags. I've noticed lately that the top handle is sort of like swiveling right here, and so it goes up and down. I like the fact that this one is stationary, but I do get so many questions about this bag, and that's what it is. Should we do an autumn spin? We'll do an autumn spin on bag of the day. Why not? And there we go. This little charm, little horsey looking charm, I know it looks like a very expensive brand that does this sort of rodeo looking charm. It's not. When I got, I'll try to throw a picture. When I bought Yota this little, remember last year when we did some fun videos together, and she did not like the Hermes Oran sandal that they make, like that hangs off your bag. She didn't like that, so I found one on Etsy for like 30 bucks, and I bought it for her as a joke. That company, I'll try to link that down in the description, because that company, they ship quick. They sent a personalized bag to her. Also a note, a little gift card that says, you know, whatever. I think I put this on your Birkin biatch on the thing. She didn't read that, by the way, on the video. But it also came with a bunch of free things, and I took the free, they sent this as one of the like free gifts for buying that actual charm. So anyway, they sent this to me free. So I was like, hell yes, all day. Scent of the day is this Carolina Herrera Good Girl. Love, love, love. And this is just the regular Good Girl. It's not the intense or whatever. It's just the regular. I got this for, didn't I get this for my anniversary? Yeah. And I've used not quite half of it, but I do love it. I think it's very sexy and delicious. It has just a little bit of musky tone to it, which I love a musk. Anyway, the video today, if you clicked on this video because I'm saying that you should get the purple Sex in the City bag, it's the Fendi Baguette Sequin. Dale has one. A lot of people have one. I do not, and I cannot get one. I don't think even if you want one, you can get it. It's very hard to come by. They have issued this bag. Remember, Carrie wore it. She's in that scene where she, the guy says, give me your bag. She's like, it's a baguette. But anyway, it's the classic purple sequined Fendi Baguette. I have an alternative to that because that thing is $4,300. I think they have released it. I think Stella Connolly just showed it on her channel. She just got one, but I think they have released this, like, this is maybe the 4th go round for this little bag. It's a very popular seller for Fendi. However, she can't, she won't, she will not, she can never. Now guys, I'm not saying that if it ever came available, add to bag on the US site for the little purple Fendi Nano. That I wouldn't do it because I really would like to have that. But I needed an alternative to this bag because I can never go into Hawk for another bag over $4 grand. I just can't do it. Not today, not ever, devil. So I went on Dillard's and found this bag. Now I have not been able to find, I can find other colors, but to find the purple sequin in this bag, this particular bag that I found as sort of a consolation bag, if you will, to the beautiful purple sequin Fendi Sex and the City bag. It is this. I've already unwrapped it. Dun, 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 dun. It is this bag, which is the Kurt Geiger bag. It was on sale when I bought it too. I've looked at it a couple times. I want to be honest with you. I put it in my cart and thought I bought it a few days beforehand, and it didn't. The sale just didn't go through. I don't know what I did wrong, but something saved me that day because I went back on there. It was like $155. You'll even see it says $155 on the tag. Somebody wrote that on there, but anyway. I think the suggested retail US is $155. Kurt Geiger is a London brand, so I don't know what that thing. I think you can get it on the hair or Selfridge's site too, if you're in London or whatever. But yeah, I went to get this and it wasn't, and then I went back like a day or two later and it was permanently marked down to $116. So. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the fact that it has a purple chain. Kurt Geiger, I've been buying some bags. I'll show you in, I have a shopping haul that I want to show you. I get real shoppy, and what I call shoppy, in February and some of March. From where I don't buy anything in January after Christmas, I'm kind of bought out. Don't have any money, don't have any will to shop anymore. Okay, that's not me. You guys know that's crazy talk. But I don't know what it is, but about mid-February, end of February, I get really like, ooh, yeah, add to bag. You know what I mean? And so I have some shopping hauls coming up, both online, and I bought some stuff at Target. Just want to show you that. That's coming up in an upcoming video. I bought a really nice bag that I need to show you. She shouldn't have bought that. But anyway. This video is about this. I am going to give this one the autumn spin to show you how friggin' cute. And I think this is an amazing bag. I love this bag. I love that and I've never had, the only Kurt Geiger bag that I've ever had is the little tiny mini Kensington that Autumn gifted me. I'm changing that now because these are very affordable bags. And as you know, I've told you many times, Coach and I broke up. So since that happened, girl, I am replacing my affordable contemporary bag need with other brands, Tory Burch being one, and also Kurt Geiger. So I just love this as an alternative to the Fendi sequin purple Sex and the City bag. I just think this is a great bag and I got it for $116. So beat that, Fendi, you never will. This is not to say that, like I said, sometime in the future, oh yeah, she's gonna try to get that that little nano in the same whatever, but for right now, I love this. I think this is cute. Let me try to take the tag off, because without taking the tag off, girl, you can't do the chain. And girl, we have to do the chain. Look at this. I am totally down with this bag. I am into it. So it comes with a little dust bag from Kurt Geiger. Thank you. Okay. Not too shabby. A little bigger than my little micro bags. It's just kind of right in between, like, you know, a little micro bag and then this, you know what I mean? So I think I can get a lot of stuff in here, girl. I'll have to do a what fits later on this, but because I do have a story time coming up, I wanted to tell you. It's got one little slit pocket inside. Inside is like a silky material. The top is like this leather. I don't know if it's really leather for that price. I don't know, girl. It snaps on both sides. I think Autumn had a pain point with this too. I kind of do wish that it would snap here like a Chanel bag, but I guess it makes a nicer, it keeps these side flaps down by doing it with the double. And you know what? They're pretty easy to get back and line up. I guess if you had it stuffed, it would be an issue, but I am about this today. No, girl, wait, hold up. She goes down to my hip. This is a mother effing win again. I mean, girl, I love it. So if you were somebody that wanted to shoulder this bag really easily, yeah. But crossbodying, it's great for a big girl. Guys, it came all the way down to my hip. Oh, yes. So I'm just giving you some what ifs today, some maybes. I found this in a green color that's really pretty. They have a pink, which I know Fendi is making the purple and the pink this year. So, what? Mind blown. And I also found it in a silver. So I'm going to link all of the different colors that I found. I'll link the one from Dillard's. It was still available at the time of recording. So fingers crossed. Go and get this, girl. I'm crazy about it. I love the purple. I just don't know. It's something about it. And that the chain and the hardware is all purple too. I don't know. I am about this. They put a little placard thing on the back. And that's okay. There's no pocket. Womp womp. We're gonna take some points away for that, Kurt. But anyway, I think it's cute. I'm down. I'm totally hip to have this bag in my collection, and I'm probably gonna switch out of Tori into this. I love it. Okay, girl. Okay. All right. So there we go. I do have some fun videos coming up. Like I said, I've got a shopping haul just online and a few things that I bought out at stores. Mostly online though, because you know me. Couple of micro bags, an actual beautiful rainbow colored bag that I bought. I've said too much already. I hope you guys are having a fabulous week. I will see you back here on the weekend. Thank you guys for commenting. I am so glad to hear from each and every one of you. And also put a comment down there. I will get back to you. Also hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and listen, dig around in my box, girl. Get in my box and check out all the links for everything. Bags that I am currently selling, I've listed in my box. I found one of these on eBay, so it was not in this pink, but a couple of red ones. I'll try to link those down below. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. I've said that already, right? All right, I have a story for you guys. And listen, if y'all see my husband though, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. All right, girls, strap in. This story time. I've told this story many times over the years. I told my daughter this today and she burst into tears laughing so hard. So I figured it was worth telling you guys. Okay. Remember last week I told you guys about the station that I worked for back in the early 2000s. It was a heavy rock station. Do they call it heavy rock? But it was a, you know, male-oriented rock station. Anyway, I always did remotes, and I always did, like, anytime they would let me do appearances in remotes, I did them because then I made extra money, guys. So I'm always shopping and having a shopping addiction. So girl, when it was time to make extra money, I was there. So this Friday night was being no different. This particular Friday night, they had a concert at a local club in town. We live in sort of a college town, so I was probably in my 30s at the time. I was probably about 20 pounds heavier than what I am now, so big girl. Talking to the concert promoter, the place was packed. It was in a club that's usually a dance floor. They had converted this dance floor into, part of it was a stage. That stage, I want to say, was about 3.5 to 4 feet off the ground. Okay. Now, they put the staircase to get up onto the stage, which is where I had to go to bring the act. I think it was Avenged Sevenfold or 3 Days Grace, one of those, back in the day, you know, rock, alt-rock bands. Anyway, it had a number in it. But, so, this place was so packed, jam-packed, that you had to get over on the other side of the stage. We were on the right of the stage. If you're looking at the stage, we were on the right-hand side, standing there in a little group with the promoter, not the band. They had not come out yet, but I was supposed to get on stage, bring this band out, say, now, you know, the Hog, that's the name of the station I work for, remember? Brings to the stage, you know, 3 Days Grace, welcome to the stage, whatever. So that was going to be my thing, promote the station, whatever. I could not get to the staircase, which was on the left-hand side. Some idiot thought it would be smart to put the staircase over on the far left-hand side of the stage. I don't know why. So I could not make it over easily because there was just a crowd of kids bum rushed to the stage, you know? So the promoter, bless his heart, God love him, he was trying. And another guy on the stage. Right? They said, Winnie, it's time. You need to get up there and bring the band on. And I was like, okay, how am I going to get up there? They didn't have a step stool. They didn't have a ladder, nothing. Girl. So I, at the time in my 30s, I could, you know, bring my foot very far up. So I did the thing where you bring your foot up. I brought my knee way up and I got my foot onto that stage, right? So I had my hand up. And the guy on the actual stage who was up there, guitar tech or whatever, was going to pull me. And the guy behind me, now both these guys were very little. They were very thin, little guys. Tall, but very, you know, small. Not muscle-bound guys, okay? Which is what was needed. Okay, the guy was pulling me, right? He was pulling me up. And the guy behind me literally got to my big butt and was pushing me. This is the concert promoter. Okay, this guy couldn't handle my weight. Neither could he back here. I fell back, shallow howled. Yes. Oh my God. I shallow howled the promoter, who is now, me and him were on the ground, tussling about, trying to, everyone could see this, guys. At the time, in the early 2000s, yes, people had phones, but it wasn't a commonplace thing. I can only imagine if it was now, girl, that thing would be all over YouTube and the internet, everywhere, social media. But thankfully, I never did see a copy of this. But, I mean, you could see my face getting red, and I was so mortified. I was on the ground. So of course I get up and I go, oh yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, everything's fine. Everyone is laughing and looking at me. And now I still have to go around to that damn staircase because ain't nobody getting up on the, she's not. Now I could have done the thing where you go, like, you know how you get out of a pool when you're a kid and you sort of do this and then you shimmy. But I was already embarrassed too, and I was like, no, she's gonna have to. So they parted the kids away, because I mean, at this point, they were laughing so hard, and I guess they felt sorry for an old lady. I don't know. But I finally did make it up to, and there I stood in a t-shirt that said, what? The Hog. Yeah. Mortified, guys. I'm mortified. Oh, lady down, biatch.